Yellow.
Speak to chicken neck.
Who?
Chicken neck.
Nobody by that name here.
What about chicken balls?
Nope.
What about chicken fucking gizzard?
Hello people, welcome to Bethel Brothers Hot Rod. This isn't Project Sam or one of the hot rods. I actually got to work on Sparky to get the garden ready. Stick around, stay tuned. I'm going to be welding some junk on the old junk. Well people, the rains have subsided and we have like some spring-alike activity going on. The trees are blooming. Everything is green. It's kind of nice, but everything's squishy. That's why Joe and I haven't been out here doing work, especially with the creeks flowing in our driveway. I did put a little bit more mud on Sam's backside. Got to let it set up and all that junk. So I thought I'd work on Sparky for a while. And what did I ended up doing? Last time you guys saw this, Joe and I rigged up a gas pedal and used this little switch to turn on windshield wipers or something for an old truck. And we had like, alright, this pedal's just scrap. This is off a gun rack. And then we welded on the little stupid thing there. And it ran a cable. And then it came over here and turned the throttle on. But it broke, so I made this out of a piece of exhaust pipe. This is just a bolt, a washer. This was a battery box holder out of Project Love, and then ran a brake cable out of tank through it to come over here and hit the gas like so. Wobble, wobble, wobble. It articulates a little better. Put a spring back here so it'd hold it, but you get the idea, right? Oh, I had to make this thing just so it'd travel around through the, pull it out of the ditch. Joe also, while we were riding it, he slammed the shifter down and it broke the linkage inside it. So we had to take the whole back end out and weld the shifter linkage back up. Joe also welded up the axle so it's pausing now. Welded up the spider gears. And I was kind of concerned about it. It makes it turn a little funny. It really saws into the ground when it turns. So it made the front end, it's hard to turn it because when you're turning, one wheel's kind of like dragging in the back because of the posi. You get what I'm saying? So there needs to be some more weight, so I'm gonna beef up this front end a little bit and probably work on the plow and take this thing mud bogging and rock climbing today. I got a lot of work ahead of me, so let's get started. Oh yeah, I added some foot pegs too. That's also out of header pipe. I just kind of squished it in an oval so your feet fit on it. This thing's coming along, man. The front end's gonna be beef. Like, I didn't weld the bottom side of this one, so when you pull on the deal it kind of wobbles. And then I'm gonna weld something up here and then a post that comes up that I can drop weights on. Then we'll give it a shot. Because as it stands now, you gotta lean like way far forward or it's just like doing wheelies. Okay, people, I finally got this stuff welded on. welded on this big old chunk of extra exhaust pipe. This is a piece of, there's actually a broken sprinkler piece of 1/2 inch coming up out of the ground. One of these jobs. I put a bell reducer that goes into a full inch pipe. And then I got 20 pounds on the front and then added this. And then hooked up some more cables and junk, so it's all functional now, man. This thing should be ready to go. Chase Bubba around the yard. He ran outside the fence, so he's kind of in trouble. Ah! Hey! Better get back here. Well, people, the garden's a bit too muddy, but it's good that I put the weight on because it helped it grab. You could see how it's like the back end's like chewing into the dirt. What Sparky's really good at is climbing rocks. I did manage to plow some of the garden though. See? Kind of got stuck. I figured I'd chase Bubba around on these here rocks for a bit. Yeah. Alright, people, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for tuning in and watching Sparky.
Peace out, babies.